Welcome to Ed Puzzle 39, and in this one we're going to do the project, the Carnival Bears project. And so what you have to do for this one is I'm going to give you some time to pause and read over the instructions, please. Don't go back to press play until you're done. All right, so summarize what you just read. Okay, so what you're gonna do is that these are Carnival Bears, and there are 3 black bears here and there are 3 brown bears here. And so what you have to do is you have to tell me in how many moves can you move the brown bears to this side and the black bears to the other side. Now, there's only 2 things you can way to move. You can slide it, so this brown bear can slide here, and this black bear, if there's something here, like this one, if it's already here, then the black bear can't move. There's only 1 empty space, only 1. And there are 6 bears, 3 black, 3 brown. For example, so you can slide, as long as the space is empty, you can only slide over 1 as long as the space is empty. So the other second move is to jump. Now, to jump, you jump over 1 bear only, and there has to be an empty space there. So for example, this cannot jump, like this one cannot jump here because there's already a brown bear there. But this brown bear can jump to this empty space because it's empty. So you can only jump over 1, and it has to be empty when you jump over. All right, so those are the 2 moves. You can't just get them all to move and switch spots. You can't do that. You need to move all the brown bears to this side and all the black bears to the other side. So let's summarize. What is one of the moves? One of the moves is to slide. What's the other move? Second move is to jump. It has to be empty when you move. It has to be empty when you slide. Now, excuse me. What I want you to do is pause and try to work this out. Try to see you can move all the brown bears to the left side and all the black bears to the right side. Okay, so what you do is to pay attention and start counting how many moves, how many jumps, and how many slides. Count them, keep count. Okay, so what did you get? How many moves were you able to do this? If you haven't moved them, then just pause it and move them before you come back. Okay, how many moves? Now, if you did not get 13, then it is not correct. And I want you to go back and try to do this again. Give me 1. All right, everybody. Okay, so I said the wrong number. So see, if you did not get 15 for the number of moves, do it again until you get 15 moves. Here are a couple things I recommend. I recommend that you use some kind of 2 different color something so that you can see it and move it. Now, let me remind you, you can slide as long as it's empty, and you can jump over 1 and only 1 as long as there's no one in that space. Okay? You want to move all the brown bears to this side, all the black bears to the side. So pause it until you get only 15 moves. I will give you extra credit if you, even if you get it wrong, send it to me on Remind. Just a video of you moving the bears. All right, so keep trying. Keep trying. Now, what I want you to tell me is how many jumps and how many slides. Once you have 15, tell me how many jumps and slides. This would be a slide, and then that would be a jump. Okay. So now, once you've done that, good job on that. Now you're going to move it up to 4 bears. 4 bears on this side and 4 bears on this side. Tell me how many moves. And then tell me how many jumps and how many slides. Now kick it up to 5. I hope you're noticing a pattern, and you can do 5 now. Again, how many jumps, how many slides? Try it, and then tell me how many you get. Pause it, don't take your time, don't rush this, and good job.